Anywhere you go, you belong. Anywhere you say, anywhere you Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video we are reviewing the Magnifeko hair dryer brush. So this one is a 2-in-1. It's a hair dryer brush and a styler volumizer. It does say that it's compatible with all hair types, so we're going to see how well it works on my 3C for a natural hair. And it does have multiple heat settings, which should help us out. I will tell you now that the bristles on this brush is amazing. It glides through my natural hair with no problem, no snag, and I do of course give it a little help, so I'll let you know how I prep my hair later on in the video. So before we jump in with our hair dryer brush, we want to make sure our hair is shampooed, deep conditioned, and also fully detangled. I twisted my hair up with a light leave-in, and I also put a shower cap on my hair to help lock in the moisture so my hair don't dry out too much until I was ready to do it, because I did take a little break. Now I like to go one twist at a time just to keep everything organized, and the first thing I'm spraying is my Redken setting mist, and this is really good for a heat protectant and hold and shine. Next I'm going in with my Tresemme Thermal Creations spray, and this acts as a really good heat protectant and a leave-in, so I like to spray that in before I detangle. Each twist I break down in half, and then I do go in and fully detangle before I use my hair dryer brush. This is my way of helping the hair dryer brush so that it don't snag my hair or even give it the potential to snag my hair. I started off on medium heat, but then I realized that my hair was not drying as fast as I wanted it to, so I did bump it up to the highest settings, and this worked out really well. My hair was dry and stretched out in no time. With this first section, as you can see, I was a little unsure because it wasn't fully dry and I didn't get the roots as dry as it should have been. But once I start getting the hang of the brush and how to work it through my hair, everything started working out so much better. My hair was so smooth and soft. I was just in love with this tool all over. So you'll see me using this tool again because I do plan on straightening my hair in the future. So make sure you be on the lookout for that video coming soon. Splitting each twist in half helps me ensure that I get my roots as dry as possible, and that is the goal here. We want to make sure our hair is fully dry from roots to tip evenly. That way we're able to part our hair and get through our hair with no problem, no snags, and this tool really helped me with that. The handle on this tool is amazing. It makes gripping the tool very easy. I didn't feel like my hands was slipping and sliding everywhere, so that was a plus. And yeah, so we just continue to do the same thing all over our head, making sure that we really concentrating on our roots, because that's like the most important part when trying to get our hair straightened with this brush. Anywhere you go, you belong. Anywhere you say, anywhere. Anywhere you say, anywhere. Thank you for watching. If you like these type of videos, don't forget to like and comment your thoughts down below. If you are new here, hello, I'm LeShawn. I'm happy to have you. Let me know in the comments that you are a new subby so we can chat. Watch more of my videos here. Till next time.